Welcome to my channel. This is your girl Mariana. Welcome to my channel, Mariana's Wonderful Kitchen. So today I'm gonna make a chicken quesadilla at home for my family. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make a chicken quesadilla. So I'm gonna slice that up, all the two breasts, and then we're gonna season this up. So these are my two center breasts that I've just sliced. Now for my seasoning, I'm using smoked paprika, salt, paprika, and Italian herbs. So I'm gonna put in my Italian herbs mixture, 1 spoon, and then I'm going in with my paprika. Then I am going in with my smoked paprika and my salt. Then I'm going in with my smoked paprika. Then I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of oil. So let me make sure nothing goes to waste. And then I'll mix that up very well. The oil gives it that moisture, and for the dryness not to be too dry on your meat. So always just add a little bit of oil to your seasoning. It will help your chicken or anything you want to season. So I'm just gonna mix that up very well. So guys, I just want to ask you a favor. Take a moment to subscribe, like, and leave a comment and share my video with your loved ones or friends. This will help me understand how far my video has reached. And don't forget to let me know in the comments from where you are watching from. This will really help me. So now I'm just gonna slice out my veggie. So I'm gonna slice out 1 full of onion into straight slices the way I'm doing. So we're gonna do like a stir fry mixed with a chicken, which is yummy in the quesadilla, and it will be so juicy. So now that I'm done with my onion, I'm gonna slice out my red pepper and my yellow pepper as well. So I'm just gonna put this aside, and then I'm gonna slice out now my red pepper, and then I am going to slice out everything to make sure I have a full one. So I'm using 1 full red pepper and 1 full yellow pepper. You can also use green, it's optional, but I like to use the yellow and the red for color purposes. It just makes your dish look so wonderful, especially in the quesadilla. So now I'm gonna slice out now my yellow pepper. I will do the same also on the slicing. So this one I didn't clean it proper, so I'm just removing the inside there, and I'm gonna slice it up as well. Now all my slices are done, so I'm gonna put this side. So in the meanwhile, I've put my pan and my oil to heat up while I'm slicing my veggie. So now we are going to the cooking part. So my oil is already heated up. So now I'm just gonna first start with my stir fry, because the veggies take a little bit long to cook than the center breast, because the chicken does not really take that long. So I'm adding 1 spoon of salt into my veggies. So make sure not to put a lot of salt, because too much salt, then your family will not be able to eat that. So now I'm just gonna start with my veggie. I'm gonna mix this up well, and then we're gonna add now our chicken breast into it, because the veggies take a little bit long to cook than the center breast. So now my veggies are ready. I'm gonna add in my chicken breast. So my veggies, I cook them halfway, not completely cooked, as we're gonna finish cooking with the chicken. So I'm just gonna mix everything up well, really nice, so that it can cook. You can see the colors are blending in very well. My meal already looks so delicious. I can't just wait to have my quesadilla. At this moment, I even felt like just having my veggies on its own, like for real. But yeah, so now my veggies are ready. Everything looks good now. The chicken is coming well together with my veggies, and the chicken is almost to be cooked. So yeah guys, this is my stir fried chicken. So now I like adding my garlic when my stuff are almost well cooked, because I want to taste my garlic in my chicken. I don't want it to be melted, or some people prefer putting it earlier. I like putting it almost to the end, because I want to feel the garlic. I want to feel the crunchiness of the garlic. I just love having garlic in my meals. So now my garlic is done chopped. I'm gonna add it to my mixture in the pot. and then mix it up very well. And my chicken is done. And this looks yummy and ready to be transferred in my quesadilla. So this looks ready to be served. Now I'm just gonna transfer it in a bowl, and then we're gonna add it up into our quesadilla. So now the other step, the chicken is done. I'm just gonna transfer it into that empty bowl and let it just put everything all in with the juice and everything. Now that this part is done, now I'm gonna make my quesadilla, and I would love to use the same pan so that it can have that juiciness and the seasoning of it. So the first layer, I'm gonna put my mozzarella cheese onto my quesadilla, and then I'm going in with my chicken strips that are cooked with my veggies on top. You can put as much as you want, but you will not want to overload it as well. So I'm just using one layer. I don't want to use two. If you like it to be thicker, you can always use two, but I prefer using one. And then I'm going in again with my cheese because I want a lot of cheese into my mozzarella. Then my pan is already heated up, so I'm gonna put that on, let it boil and let it be a bit crunchy down, and then we're gonna flip it again on the other side because I want my quesadilla crunchy and delicious. So when you make two layers, it will come out a little bit bigger, but since I don't want it to be so big, so that's why I'm flipping it on one side because I don't want it so big. But usually you can make on both sides and then you close it and then you go again on the other side. But I just prefer doing it this way. And then I'm gonna flip it now the other side. Look how yummy delicious that look. So yes, this is my quesadilla, guys. I'm just gonna slice that out, and then I'm just gonna dig in with my quesadilla. You can have it with any side of your choice. So let me just slice that up for you all, guys. This looks yummy, this looks delicious, and don't forget it tastes so delicious as well. So guys, don't forget to share love and care wherever you find yourself, and thank you very much for watching until the end of this video. I appreciate every one of you, and look just how yummy my quesadilla look. Let me just cut that out so you guys can see how the cheese have melted out. Ciao ciao guys, see you in the next videos. Take care of yourselves. Bye.